Well, hey, howdy, hello. Welcome to a quick edition of Aunt Angel stands on her head and does 25 of her 100 any reps. Ready? I like to hear it go. I'm still silly. I'm still doing the things and stuff, so let's do it. In case you don't already know, I do 100 any reps most every day. That's my minimum. And sometimes I like to whip out 25 in under a minute if I can. I know I'm burning time. Let's do it. 25, 4, 3, 2, 1, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you have it. Don't forget to, we missed the 1 minute mark. Look at me yammering. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate you. I'll be seeing you soon. Ciao.